Today we have Kobe's on deck. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you're having a great time out there. Hope you're all looking after yourselves. Today we got this absolutely beautiful rendition of the Air Force One Kobe. This is not mine, this is for the bro, this is an assist. But before we look at the sneaker, please do like, follow, subscribe, come and chat to me. Let's have a conversation. Let's break it down like we always do. And please do check out the Shoe Dog podcast with me and the bro 808 Kicks ATL. Go and follow the bro at 808 Kicks _ ATL. And please do check out the Shoe Dog podcast where we talk about sneaker drama, sneaker news, sneaker bad behavior, because we always take that to sneaker court or public opinion. And also, guys, keep doing amazing things that you guys keep doing to keep excelling, to keep growing, to keep elevating, and to keep hitting your goals and targets for the year, because I want you to win. We all want you to win over here because you need to keep winning and keep being awesome, guys. But today we're going to look at this amazing Air Force One Kobe. As you can see from the BRoll, guys, we're looking at the Air Force One Kobe Home Lakers Colorway, which released on the 6th of December, which was yesterday, guys, if you're watching this on release date. And basically, there's another variation coming, which is the black variation. But before we look at the sneaker, before we go into the depths of the sneaker, let's take a look at the box because, hey, presto, shebang, this is what the box looks like. This is how it comes and this is how it's presented. As you can see, Kobe signatures on the top of this box, and it's absolutely dope the way they've done it. You got more of this Mamba snakeskin print on the white of this box. If you look really closely, you can see that snakeskin print all over this, which is absolutely fire, which pays homage to the Mamba mentality that actually Kobe brought to the actual court, which is absolutely dope. And if you didn't know about this sneaker is dedicated to the actual Kobe mid that actually Kobe wore in his free agency run, where he wasn't signed to any actual sneaker silhouette or any other sneaker brand. And this was done between 2002 and 2003. And there's a load of other actual Kobe's that's released in the meantime. We've had Supremes, we had the actual grade school, we actually had a lot of variations, but this time they've actually brought the home colorway and actually produce an absolutely fantastic sneaker, if you don't mind me saying so, and giving the actual Lakers colorway on the sneaker. But like I said, this is what the box looks like. This is absolutely fantastic. You got the gold swoosh on there as well with the Kobe emblem at the top of the box and on the lid as well, and you've got more gold on this, which is absolutely fantastic, with the actual hole being gold and the Kobe sign being gold. This is what the box looks like. This is how it is, and this is what the label looks like. Remember, if you're wearing Air Force Ones, go half a size down because they fit big. But this is for the bro who's a size 8 and he's gone down for 7.5, as you can see. But the code in the box reads Air Force One Low Retro QS Quick Strike, that is KB, which is Kobe, and this is basically a white varsity maize, and it's an 8.5 in the actual US size, 7.5 in the UK size 10 in the ladies, and obviously it's an EU 42. Make sure it reads like that, make sure it looks like that, make sure it is like that, and the code on this is FZ11511100, guys. And just make sure you get a legit pair. You can kind of get this in store if you were on release. I think they're actually gone now because these are really hard to get. If it's a quick strike, it's going to go quite quickly, so you've got to be on the ball to get this. And I won this on sneakers and stuff, which is great because it means that I could get the sneaker for the bro. As you can see, more affiliated writing at the bottom, and inside is absolutely beautiful, guys. It's got that snakeskin print on the actual paper and the Kobe emblem on there as well, and you get another additional tissue paper to wrap the sneakers in. That's what the box looks like. That's how it should come, and that's how it should be. And there is a stamp at the top, guys, as well, there you can see. That's how it comes, guys. Make sure your box is like that. Make sure you get it from a legit place, and at this moment in time the resale is going for like 160, 170, so you can actually get this on the resale market for kind of a reasonable price. But I think the price on this is going to go up in the next 3 to 6 months because this is an absolutely gorgeous sneaker, and Kobe sneakers always rise in price. So get the sneaker where you want it, guys. Get it where you can and get it when you can, because basically it's going to be an absolutely beautiful sneaker in your hands on feet as well. But that's what the box looks like. Let's take a look at these sneakers. It's sneaker time, so hey presto shabang. And as you can see guys, this is the Air Force One Kobe Home Lakers colorway, and as you can see off the rip, you got that yellow and that purple on that swoosh, the purple from the under swoosh and the yellow on top of that swoosh, which gives it that Lakers colorway, which is absolutely fire. And if you didn't know guys, Air Force Ones, I'm not an Air Force One guy, but I do appreciate Air Force Ones, and this is a beautiful rendition of the Air Force One. Yellow outsole represents the actual yellow jersey, and this is an absolutely fantastic take with all white premium leather on this sneaker, which is absolutely fire. As you can see, the leather on this is soft, the leather on this is premium, the leather on this is just slightly tumbled, and it just feels great on the fingers. It is an absolutely beautiful leather cut to this. The sneaker is absolutely fire, and it just looks like a beautiful Air Force One. You get white laces with this, which comes with the sneaker, and you also get two more other laces, which is absolutely fire guys. You got a purple lace with actually a yellow tip to the purple laces, and then you get a yellow lace with purple tips to the actual yellow laces, which is fire. And obviously on the white laces you get purple tips as well. Let's just kind of go through that again because I probably muddled it up. Purple laces, yellow tips, yellow laces, purple tips, and then obviously white laces you get the purple tips, which actually is a resemblance of the actual Lakers colorway, which is absolutely dope in my personal opinion. And on top of that guys, the tongue tag is absolutely dope, which has got that yellow tongue tag with everything written in purple and stitched in purple, which Nike and Air Force One on top of that. And inside on the under tag you got that Kobe, you got that Kobe emblem, which is absolutely fire guys. And on the actual cusp of the laces you got that little purple swoosh, which is a beautiful touch to the sneaker. Absolutely dope. On the sneaker as well, you got the white inner lining as well, and the insole as well is got that pure yellow with that Kobe purple emblem. And the beautiful thing about this is the back tab, yellow back tab, 8 on the actual left hand side, and then you've got yellow back tab, and the actual stitching on the actual Kobe logo is fire. Both of the actual back of this is fire. Stitched in is absolutely beautiful, and obviously that's Kobe's number. I remember that 8 is absolutely fantastic to go with the sneaker, pays homage to Kobe, God rest his soul. But this is a beautiful rendition of a sneaker. What I do like about this sneaker as well, at the back you've got this embossed Kobe sign as well, which is absolutely dope. And I do like that ear in that yellow that wraps around the back heel of that sneaker. So dope, so fire. I'm gonna count this because I hope there's 8 Kobe logos on this, because you got 1, you got 2, you got 3 in the inside, that's on one sneaker, and then obviously you got 4 on the inside there as well, 5 on the back tab, you got 6 at the back, and you got 7. I just wish they had another Kobe sign or Kobe logo, which would have gone really well with the 8 number and 8 Kobe signs, but that's a bit of a miss. But this is still super fire, super dope. Quality on this is absolutely fantastic guys, absolutely beautiful. That swoosh is so nice, because that yellow leather with the undercusp of that kind of purple and heightened swoosh on the background is super dope, and it just wraps around with the back tab with the yellow on the back. Absolutely fire. Pure white Air Force Ones are absolutely dope. It is such a good rendition of this pure white Home Lakers colorway. Such a fire sneaker, such a beautiful sneaker. But I did feel the insole as well. The insole is thick, it is absolutely thick, and it's actually stuck down. It's quite hard to take it. I'm not going to take it out and rip it out, because obviously I don't want to damage the actual insole, because a bro wants to wear it and he's going to definitely wear it. But like I do on this channel, I'm going to give you that front perspective on the sneaker, the booty action with the 8 on the back, and you got the actual Kobe logo on the actual right hand side, the lateral side, that medial side, and that beautiful yellow outsole, giving you that 360-degree rotation. Make sure it's on your feet, make sure you keep hitting the streets, and make sure you keep buying the heat that you want on your feet, guys. Bang, bang, an absolutely beautiful sneaker. And there's only one grade I'm going to give this. Is a super gold. Like anything Kobe wise in terms of Air Force Ones, especially with the heritage, especially with the free agency run of that actual run with the mids Kobe's, with that yellow and the underlay of the white is absolutely fire. Go and check that sneaker out. Go and write 2002, 2003 free agency Kobe mid, and you'll find out that sneaker, because that is an absolutely dope rendition. The perforations on this are nicely done as well to give that breathability on that sneaker. Such a fire sneaker, such an absolutely beautiful sneaker, such a iconic Air Force One. I like what they're doing with this Kobe run. I like the fact that they're releasing Kobe sneakers. I like the fact that they're actually dropping Kobe's. I like they're actually paying homage to Kobe's as well. I just want that 8 and that 3. Once that Kobe 8 and 3 comes out, which is going to be, I think if they ever release that, that's going to be super limited. It's going to be really hard to get, but those are like Grail level. With this and those two, those two are definitely Grail level sneakers. Something that I think Nike and Jordan brands should bring out and just give to the actual public, because if they brought the Wu-Tangs out, just bring us some Kobe's, give us some 3s and 8s as well, because if you can do this, you should be able to do a Jordan 3 and a Jordan 8. Give it to us, guys, because we definitely need it. But this is a beautiful rendition, Super GOAT Air Force One. This is going to the bro. I'm gonna try and get this in his hand, and this is a absolutely magnificent sneaker in hand, quality wise. There's nothing I can actually say about this sneaker to actually downgrade it. The actual cut is great. The actual glue is absolutely dope. There's no actual residue. The stitching on it is absolutely fire. Everything on this is dope, and that Kobe logo on the back heel with that embossment is super fire. Absolutely dope, guys. Like the stitching, look, guys, let's just talk about the stitching. That is fire. Immaculate sneaker, absolutely dope. Like I said, guys, if you need the Kobe Air Force One's Home Lakers Colorway, go and get it, because not going much over retail, and it's a fire sneaker in hand, guys. I love this, and I can't wait for the bro to actually see this and get this in hand. Bang, bang, bang. That was a review for the Air Force One Kobe Home Lakers Colorway. Oh, guys, one thing I did spot, which I actually totally missed when I was actually looking at this, it does have under the tongue tag, which I have to pull this out, you've got that Kobe signature at the bottom of that tongue tag. That is absolutely fire. That is a way to just polish and give it that excellence that it deserves. It's got the X, it's got the underline, and it's Kobe's signature. That is absolutely fire, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for always showing love and support. There won't be an on-fit because this is not my sneakers. I'm trying to get this to the bro as soon as possible. Obviously, we help out the bros. Obviously, we go and help out the people that actually want sneakers for retail. It's not going to be a sneaker I'm ever going to sell for resale, but that is a beautiful rendition. Go get the sneakers you want, guys. But thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for always showing love and support, guys. But like I do on this channel, I hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year. And I hope you guys cop the sneakers you like, because you all deserve to get the sneakers you want from me, TJ, and Love Kit Customs. Until the next review, peace out for now, guys, and peace.